Hi there. So today I want to share with you something super cool. This is an amazing piece of equipment that I picked up just recently. Whenever you're shooting on the gimbal, your camera, just regular filming, and then all of a sudden you're like, okay, I need to get some content for shorts or TikTok or Instagram. All you have to do is just rotate the camera while it's on the gimbal, and voila, you're just capturing everything in vertical. And if you want to, there's another cool thing. You just like take it off easily, put it on your tripod, tighten it down, and here on tripod, you want to take a vertical photo or video, rotate it, it snaps into position, and here you go. We want to do upside down, you do the upside down. This is so cool. So today I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to hook it up to your camera, and I feel like that's a piece of equipment that everybody should have. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a top-down shot where you can see how everything is set up. You got this base, the camera goes on this base. You actually can attach some sort of strap if you want to, but as you can see, this piece, all it does, it just rotates. You just unscrew this little knob and this allows it to just go all the way around, and at certain points it stops. So it locks itself if you go like vertically, sideways. Now, here's what's cool. I already attached the gimbal plate to the base of this. That's where actually this comes in and places itself on the gimbal or tripod. And here you have additional like screws, I guess the replacement screws if you would lose some of these screws over here. So, and a little padding especially made for to either raise, and it shows right here, either raise or adds a little bit of level for the camera if it's not exactly leveled. So we're gonna put this aside. It comes with two Allen wrench keys. So one is for the big screw, the other one is for the adjustment of the height. And here I have Sony A7R5 or Alpha 7R5. So we have this camera, no base plate or anything on it, and I have a lens over here so you can kind of like see and follow along how it's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the base plate to the camera itself. Now you have to be very careful not to scratch your camera, and then when you go ahead, find the right positioning, screw in this plate to the camera. Not all the way, just make sure it's loose. Now I want to make sure that this is aligned, and as you can see, it goes up, down, right? So we want to make sure it's exactly centered, okay? So now as it's centered, we're going to tighten these little screws that actually adjust the level up and down. Gonna tighten it just a little bit more. Now we can go ahead and move this piece all the way down and tighten the base screw to the camera. Here we go. So now here you are. Rotation goes in, it snaps into a certain positions, and now the only thing that sucks is just to take off this cap. It's probably not the best way. So we're gonna go ahead and put the lens. So now as you can see, you can simply place this base plate on the tripod or on the gimbal, and by using this tightening knob over here on the side, all you have to do is just rotate it, tighten it if you want to tighten it. And if you don't want it to move, you just tighten it really hard, and it's really hard to actually rotate, but keep it like semi-tight. That way you can put it on a position of shooting, then just simply rotate it and it snaps into place. You continue shooting the vertical, which is amazing. Genius engineering. So, and of course, right after this brand, and I'm gonna put it on the screen, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this brand came out with this design, with this accessory, and then everybody else from Small Rig, some other brands, they decided to recreate the same exact thing and possibly just doing a little bit different styles, a different maybe touch-ups. I don't think they're going to be copying exactly to the T. It is a basic Swiss plate. You can use it just like so, but I have a tripod and gimbal plate here for my Ronin. That way it's in and out. I can just balance everything, and it works. It works fantastically. So overall, that's how it goes. And then all you have to do is just get your gimbal out. You slide this in the gimbal, and yeah, and then balance it. I'm not going to be showing you how to balance it because I have a separate video for that, all about balancing the gimbal the proper way. Link in the description or up in the top corner. So with this, it's just simply a slide in. You decide how you want to shoot. You want to shoot vertical or whatnot. When you balance it, there's so little of difference between rotating it horizontally or vertically that it's not making any difference on the motors of the gimbal. So you can fly around with the gimbal and just film whatever you want to film. And then if you decided, hey, this is a good time of actually doing the vertical, you just rotate that camera on the fly, and here you go. How cool is this accessory? You can find the description below. I have links to many of different accessories just like that. Again, if you like this video or found it helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, slap the subscribe button while you're at it, hit the bell to get notified for all the upcoming videos that are coming to this channel to help you become a better freelance videographer and start your own business. Again, I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome, my friend. Don't hesitate to like the button, Well, this is it. How cool this accessory is. I cannot recall how